Wishing a very happy new year to you all. You must be dreaming of becoming a millionaire this year, right? But for that, you must follow the golden rule of diversifying your income streams. You must adopt several earning streams to become rich quickly. Well, in this financial video, we will be telling you about the 10 best passive income streams that will make you rich easily. Watch the video till the end, or you may miss some crucial tips. Now let's start. 1. The investment in real estate. Buying, renovating, and managing a home is what it takes to make monthly rental revenue. Once established, it may provide you a reliable stream of revenue, whether you're renting it out for short or long term. Consider Realty Mogul if you want to invest in real estate but would rather not handle property management on your own. With as little as $5,000, anyone may invest in commercial real estate holdings with Realty Mogul. Investors have access to a variety of rental properties, commercial structures, and development projects via the platform. You may diversify your property portfolio and receive rental income using a platform like Realty Mogul, eliminating the headache of property management. 2. Put money into non-traditional assets, such as art. If you put down some initial capital and sit back and watch its value rise and fall, you can earn passive income. Metals and even works of art might be considered as alternatives to traditional investment vehicles like equities and bonds. Isn't the purchase of excellent art something you can afford? Sites like Masterworks let you invest in the works of artists like Warhol and Banksy by purchasing shares that symbolize ownership in the artwork. Historical and average growth, as well as SEC records, are available for your perusal on the website. Yield Street provides access to several alternative investing opportunities, including private equity investments. 3. Placing your money into a savings account or CD with a high yield. A CD is essentially a timed savings account with a high interest. You may choose to invest for a period of 6 months or 5 years. The bank will give you an interest rate on your deposit, and then they will deposit that rate into your certificate of deposit account on a regular basis, often monthly. With interest rates on certificates of deposit, CDs, rising from near zero to as high as 5%, CDs have recently seen a surge in popularity. A great choice would be CIT's 11-month CD with no penalty, which has conditions and a minimum beginning deposit of $1,000 and may earn up to 4.9%. A gain of $490, or 4.9%, on a $10,000 CD with an 11-month term is something to think about. 4. Dividend Stock. Regular payments will be sent to you by the firm if you buy shares of stock that earn dividends. Quarterly dividend payments are common, and the more shares you hold, the greater the dividend payout. Consider dividend-yielding mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, if you'd rather not choose individual equities. It should be noted that even high-yield equities need a substantial investment to provide sufficient income for subsistence. As an example, the pharmaceutical firm AbbVie is regarded as a dividend aristocrat due to its consistent dividend payments throughout its existence. The annual dividend payout is just about $5 per share. The minimum number of shares required to earn $40,000 annually from AbbVie stock is 8,000 shares. 5. Affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you may earn a commission on product sales made via your recommendations and sharing them with others. Affiliate links are often shared via websites, social media, and email newsletters. Although starting this passive income stream would not need a large initial investment, it might require a significant time commitment. Affiliates are less likely to add you as a partner if you have less than 1,000 followers, and your earnings will be much higher if you have 50,000 followers or more. According to a poll by the influencer marketing site Hype Auditor, the average monthly income for micro-influencers, those with 1,000 to 10,000 followers, was $1,420, while for mega-influencers, those with more than 1 million followers, was $15,356. 6. Make money by selling artwork or designs on the internet. Do you like drawing or taking pictures? If you're interested in making some extra money, you may want to think about creating a website or listing your wares on an online marketplace like Etsy. On Squarespace, get 10% off with the Time 10 discount code, and similar platforms make it simple for anybody, regardless of technical skill level, to build a website that looks professional. The next step, after setting everything up, is to promote your work so that more people buy it. Sites like Flippa may act as a go-between if you need assistance with the sales legality or if you're unsure of how to broker the transaction. Alternatively, you may use Flippa or similar services to locate businesses that are already lucrative and relatively inactive that you can acquire. 7. Lending between individuals. When you offer money to other people as a peer, it's called a personal loan. Interest is a kind of revenue that you might expect to receive. Diversifying your investments or loans may help lower the chance of borrower default. 8. Trusts that engage in real estate, REITs. Investments in real estate may be stressful, but real estate investment trusts, REITs, provide a less stressful alternative. These funds invest in real estate and give generous dividends to their shareholders. One need not own and oversee their own property in order to participate in a real estate investment trust, REIT. Alternatively, you might invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which hold properties including apartment buildings, hotels, and office spaces. You may expect consistent dividend payments as compensation. It may take a sizable initial investment, similar to the dividend stocks we discussed before you can earn a sufficient return to support your living expenses. 9. Make parking available for rent. One way to get some extra money is to rent out parking spots or other areas on your property that you aren't currently utilizing. On short trips, such as to and from work, or longer ones, such as while vacationing, some people may choose to leave their cars parked. You may even think about renting out a spot for people to park big vehicles like RVs or boats if you're financially stable enough to do so. 10. It is possible that a room in your home will be leased out. Renting out a room rather than the whole property is a terrific way to get your feet wet in the real estate investing world if you are just starting out. There's a possibility that it will be for a brief stay, like an Airbnb, for a few months, or even simply as a place to store things. 11. Create a product or service for online shopping. In order to be successful, you will most likely need to cultivate a loyal following of individuals who are eager to buy your products. For example, you might create an online course, an ebook, or even a workshop to teach people a skill that they are interested in learning. That's all for today. Now you know all the best passive income streams that could easily make you rich in 2024. These are done by all the millionaires like Sir Elon Musk, Robert Kiyosaki, Charlie Munger, and all others. The famous investor and multi-billionaire, Sir Warren Buffett, also does these passive incomes. You must press the red subscribe button if you want to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich quickly. We regularly update everyone with the best passive and active income streams and also inform about the latest financial news and updates. You must start doing these passive incomes from today if you really want to get rich. Do press the like button if you loved watching this video. This video took a lot of research, so this small action of yours will keep us motivated with our work and help us to bring more amazing contents related to finance. Add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Share this video with all of your friends, relatives, and all of your family members. Thank you all for watching this video till here.